Hey everybody. So for this chapter 4 challenge, they want us to take all of this data and convert it into a table. So to do that, obviously we have to highlight all of this data to convert it to a table. So to do that, you can manually just drag everything, or you can do Control Shift right arrow, Control Shift down arrow to not use your mouse. Now, once I have all of this data selected, I want to go to the Insert tab, and then I want to go under Tables to Table. And once I press Table, this little pop-up comes up and it says Create Table. So here it says, where is the data for your table? So this basically makes sure this includes everything that you want on your table. So everything that you want on your table has to be highlighted for it to be applied to your table. So after making sure that all of my needed information is highlighted, I I'm okay on that end. And then you want to make sure that this is checked off because normally for the Excel exam, they're going to ask you to create tables with headers, or if they don't, you have to uncheck it. But just be really attentive to those niche, small details, because that could affect your grade. So in this instance, they want us to have headers, so this is checked off, that's needed, and then you press OK, and voila, your table is created. Next, we are going to create a table style. To do this, we are going to press on any cell within the table, and then on the top of this, where it says all your tabs, you want to go to the Table Design tab, the one that just popped up after we created the table. And then you want to go to the Table Styles. You want to press the drop-down menu for Table Styles, and I'm going to pick Green Table Style Light 14. This is the style that I'm going to pick. However, on the exam, make sure to be very attentive about which one they're asking for. So, for example, if they were to ask you for Plum Table Style Medium 20, you're going to have to pick Plum Style Medium 20 because if you don't, you're going to get points off. So, again, a way to make sure you're getting the right one is you could just hover over it. And once you hover over it, it tells you the style. So I'm just going to go back to the one that I picked. Not sure if it was this one or this one, but I'm just going to go for this one. And once we have that, there we go. That's our table. Bye.